For this project you are going to need a plastic container, a staple, scissors, net fabric, paper and water. We start by cutting the edge of the plastic container and then we staple the net fabric into it. It doesn't have to be very polished. The important thing is to create a size for the paper. And we continue to staple all the fabric net into the plastic. You will get something like this. Then we take the paper. It could be newspaper or regular paper or even color paper if you want your final handmade paper to be a different color. We rip all the paper into small pieces. And then we put all in the food processor. We add a glass of water. And we start to create the pulp. If you feel that the food processor is spinning empty, add more water to the mix. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Then we put the pulp into a big container. And remove all the big pieces. Then we add water. We mix and continue to remove the big pieces. And then we add more water. We want to mix like this one. Very liquid. Now I'm going to take some flowers of my lavanda. That I'm going to put into the mix. We mix really well. Then we took the frame that we made before and we dip it into the mix like this. Then we put it face down on a fabric and we remove the excess of water. When it's a little dry, you can remove the frame and you will have something like this. And you continue to do like this with all of the pulp. We're face down, then we dry, and then we can remove the mix. And then we can remove the frame. We let them dry for a couple hours. And then we remove it from the fabric, very gently. Remember to be very gentle. As you can see, it was very easy to do, but the result is really beautiful. And you can feel the lavanda every time you touch it. You can make it to give to your friends or to your family, or to write love letters. If you like this video, please remember to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.